Welcome, in front of me is HP ZBook Firefly 14, and in this video I will show you how to turn on your laptop. So to turn on your laptop, first make sure it's charged, or at least it's charging. To do that, connect the charging cable to your laptop, and afterwards press the power button slightly and wait until your device boots up. And basically that's how you turn on your laptop. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.